Hey everyone, welcome back to Facts of Life, the place where curiosity meets wild facts. Today's video is all about amazing land animals. From the fastest sprinters to the heaviest giants, the animal kingdom is full of surprises. And I've gathered some mind-blowing facts that you probably haven't heard before. So buckle up, because we're about to go on a wild ride through forests, deserts, and grasslands to discover the most fascinating creatures on land. Let's get into it. The first majestic creature we will be talking about is the tallest known land mammal on Earth, the giraffe. Number 1. Giraffes have been around for over 20 million years. Giraffes evolved from a group of hoofed mammals called artiodactyls, even-toed ungulates, which includes deer, cattle, and antelope. Their earliest ancestors appeared in Africa and Eurasia around 20 to 25 million years ago during the Miocene epoch. Also, the earliest giraffids weren't tall at all. They looked more like deer with normal length necks. One of the earliest known giraffids was Canthumeryx, which lived around 17 million years ago and is considered a probable ancestor of modern giraffes. Number 2. Tallest land animals on Earth. Giraffes are the tallest land mammals, with adult males reaching up to 18 feet in height. Their legs alone are about 6 feet long, taller than many humans. Number 3. Huge hearts for huge bodies. A giraffe's heart weighs around 25 pounds and is about 2 feet long. It has to work hard to pump blood all the way up their long necks to the brain. Number 4. Super short sleepers. Giraffes only sleep for about 30 minutes to 2 hours per day, the least of any mammal. They often take quick naps standing up, though they occasionally lie down to sleep deeply for a few minutes. Number 5. Necking, the primary combat method. Giraffes don't engage in typical fighting like many other animals. Instead, their combat involves a behavior called necking. This is where two male giraffes swing their necks at each other like a pendulum, using their heads as battering rams. The force of a neck swing can be incredibly powerful. Giraffes' necks are heavy and strong, with their heads weighing up to 55 lbs. When they strike, it can leave a significant impact on their opponent. Number 6. Super endurance. Giraffes can travel long distances, often covering up to 10 to 15 miles per day while foraging or migrating. Their ability to walk at a steady pace for long periods without tiring quickly gives them the endurance to outlast predators or other competitors. The next beautiful creature we will be talking about is an absolute powerhouse and is the dominator of the forest, the grizzly bear. Number 1. Grizzly bears aren't actually a separate species. Grizzly bears Ursus arctos horribilis are a subspecies of the brown bear Ursus arctos. While they are commonly called grizzlies, they are part of the same species that includes the larger Kodiak bear and Eurasian brown bears. Grizzlies specifically live in North America, and they are often distinguished by their larger size, broader head, and pronounced shoulder hump. Number 2. Absolute powerhouse. Grizzly bears can weigh between 400 and 1,500 pounds, with males being significantly larger than females. The largest recorded grizzly weighed an astounding 1,500 pounds and stood nearly 10 feet tall when on its hind legs. Their size is directly linked to their diet, which includes fish, berries, small mammals, and, in some cases, large ungulates like moose or deer. Number 3. Barbaric strength. Grizzlies are known for their strength, with one of the most powerful bites in the animal kingdom. Their bite force can reach over 1,160 pounds of pressure. They are capable of lifting up to 500 pounds, which is almost the weight of a fully grown adult human, thanks to their massive shoulder muscles. Number 4. Powerful swimmers. Despite their bulky size, grizzly bears are excellent swimmers. They can swim several miles at a time and are often found near rivers, lakes, or the ocean. Their love of water is partly due to their food sources, such as salmon, which they catch by standing in rivers. They've even been observed swimming from one island to another. Number 5. Mating and cubs. Grizzly bear mating season occurs in late spring to early summer, but the fertilized egg doesn't implant right away. Grizzly bears have a form of delayed implantation, meaning the egg only attaches to the uterus if the bear has gained enough weight during the summer to support a pregnancy. Cubs are typically born in the winter while the mother is hibernating and stay with their mothers for up to 3 years. Number 6. Grizzly bears have a sacred relationship with nature. Grizzly bears play a crucial role in the ecosystem. In fact, they are considered a keystone species. By dispersing seeds from fruits and berries they eat and depositing nutrients from fish carcasses, they help maintain biodiversity and the health of the ecosystems in which they live. Their presence even helps maintain the populations of other animals. Next, let's meet the fastest land animal on Earth, the cheetah. Number 1. Ancient origins. Cheetahs evolved around 4 million years ago and are part of the Felidae family, making them cousins to lions, tigers, and leopards. The genus Acinonyx, which includes the modern cheetah, dates back to the Pliocene epoch about 5 million years ago. Their ancient ancestors once roamed across Eurasia and North America. Number 2. Genetic bottleneck and inbreeding. Genetic bottleneck. Cheetahs experienced a genetic bottleneck around 10,000 years ago, which dramatically reduced their population size and genetic diversity. A bottleneck occurs when a species' population is severely reduced, often due to environmental pressures like climate change or overhunting, leading to a loss of genetic variation. Number 3. Vision and hunting. Cheetahs hunt mostly during the day, using their keen eyesight rather than smell. They use stealth and explosive speed rather than strength to catch prey, usually gazelles or small antelope. They can see prey up to 3 miles away on the open savanna. Number 4. Speed and agility. Cheetahs can reach speeds up to 70 mph in short bursts. They can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 3 seconds, faster than most sports cars. Unlike other big cats, cheetahs don't roar, they chirp, purr, and hiss. Number 5. Cubs and family life. Cheetah cubs are born with a mohawk-like mane of silver-gray fur, which may help camouflage them or mimic honey badgers to deter predators. Cubs are extremely vulnerable. Up to 90% don't survive their first 3 months in the wild. Number 6. Robust ancient cheetah. Ancient cheetahs were slightly larger and more robust than the ones we know today. Fossils of these ancient cheetahs show they had even bigger claws, designed for both speed and grip. The extinct species, Acinonyx pardonensis, a larger relative, roamed Europe and Asia about 2 million years ago and is thought to be a major ancestor of the modern cheetah. It's a symbol of wisdom, adaptability, and ecological importance. The ibis. Number 1. Ancient Egyptian sacred bird. The sacred ibis Thresciornis aethiopicus was worshipped by ancient Egyptians and associated with Thoth, the god of wisdom, writing, and knowledge. Thousands of mummified ibises have been found in tombs as religious offerings. Number 2. Global nomads. Ibises are found on every continent except Antarctica. There are around 28 species of ibis, ranging from the glossy ibis to the northern bald ibis, each adapted to different environments, from wetlands to dry savannas. Number 3. surprisingly smart. Ibises are known for their problem-solving skills and social intelligence. In captivity, they've learned to open gates and solve simple mechanical puzzles. Their social structure can be surprisingly complex. Number 4. Elegant courtship dances. Ibises engage in elaborate courtship rituals, including head bobbing, bill clicking, and preening each other. Males often present twigs to females during mating season. Not flowers, but it works. Number 5. Monogamous during breeding season. Most ibis species form seasonal monogamous pairs, one partner per breeding season. Some pairs reunite in following years, though long-term monogamy is not guaranteed. Number 6. Built-in compass. A study found that ibises may use Earth's magnetic field to navigate. Their migration paths are often remarkably precise, and they can travel thousands of kilometers to return to the same breeding grounds each year. Behold the ship of the desert. This ancient creature has conquered the harshest landscapes on Earth. The camel. Number 1. Camels don't store water in their humps. Despite the popular myth, camels don't store water in their humps. Instead, the humps are made of fat, which they use as an energy reserve. This helps reduce heat insulation across the body and allows them to survive for weeks without food. Number 2. They can drink 30 gallons of water in 13 minutes. After going for days without water, a thirsty camel can gulp down over 100 liters, or 30 gallons in one sitting without getting sick or water intoxicated. Number 3. Camels can withstand wild temperature swings. Camels are like biological thermostats. They can tolerate body temperatures from 93 Fahrenheit to 106 Fahrenheit without sweating, helping them conserve water in brutal desert heat. Number 4. Their red blood cells are oval-shaped. Unlike most mammals, camels have oval-shaped red blood cells. This helps their blood flow more easily during dehydration and allows them to reinflate quickly after drinking large volumes of water. Number 5. Camels originated in North America. Surprise! Camels actually evolved in North America around 40–50 million years ago, during the Eocene epoch. Ancient camel species like camelops roamed what is now the US and Canada. They later migrated to Asia and Africa via the Bering Land Bridge during the Ice Age, and went extinct in North America about 10,000 years ago. Number 6. Dominant males form harems. Strong, dominant males will try to control a group of females, forming a harem. They aggressively chase off competing males, sometimes engaging in violent fights that involve biting, neck wrestling, and loud vocalizations. Harem males will mate with multiple females in their group during the rut. We now move on to the majestic giants of the deer world, the elk. Number 1. Majestic. Elks are the second largest deer species Cervus canadensis after the moose. Adult males called bulls can weigh up to 700 to 7,000 pounds. They also have their iconic and impressive antlers. Bull elk grow enormous antlers each year that can reach up to 4 feet above their heads. These antlers are shed and regrown annually, growing at a rate of up to 1 inch per day during summer. Number 2. Highly social. Elk live in herds that can include dozens of individuals. Females form matriarchal groups, while males often form bachelor groups outside of rutting season. Also, learning and memory studies show elk have excellent memory and navigation skills. Some populations migrate hundreds of miles, often retracing the same routes year after year with astonishing precision. Number 3. Elk are part of the Cervidae family deer family, which first appeared around 20-25 million years ago during the Miocene epoch. The ancestors of modern elk evolved in Eurasia and later migrated to North America via the Bering Land Bridge. They are also relatives of titans. Ancient elk once lived alongside Ice Age megafauna like woolly mammoths, saber-toothed cats, and giant ground sloths. They shared similar cold, open environments during the Pleistocene epoch, 2.6 million to 700 years ago. Number 4. Adapted to thrive. Elks have 4-chambered stomach. Like cows, elk are ruminants. They have a 4-chambered stomach that helps them digest tough plant matter like bark, grasses, and shrubs. They also have seasonal coat changes. Elk shed their winter coat in the spring. Their thick, insulating winter fur gives way to a sleeker summer coat that helps them stay cool. Number 5. Cold climate champions. Elk can survive in freezing temperatures thanks to their thick fur and fat stores. They even use their hooves to dig through snow to find food in winter. These majestic creatures are also silent movers. Despite their size, elk are incredibly quiet and agile. They can move stealthily through forests and are capable swimmers. Number 6. Motherly love. Elk calves are typically born in late May to early June after a gestation period of about 9 months. Timing coincides with lush vegetation growth, ensuring abundant food for nursing mothers. These beautiful creatures also have instant bonding within 30 minutes of birth. Calves can stand and begin to nurse. The bond between mother and calf forms quickly, driven by scent, touch, and vocalizations. And that's a wrap on today's Facts of Life. I hope you enjoyed learning about some of the most fascinating land animals out there. If you did, make sure to hit that like button. It helps more than you know. If you've got any favorite animals or fun facts, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing what you guys are curious about. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you're always the first to know when we drop new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious, stay wild, and keep exploring the facts of life.